straight to it on my mama. We lit.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana, and we're going to be dropping a bleaching and watercolor method video today using the one and only extensions, A Shot of Airy. Make sure you guys check the description box. So I will be launching my website February 18th, and I didn't get the install process because I do have a bond-in tutorial on my YouTube already. So check the link in the description box below for that video. So let's get into this video. The bleaching powder that I'm going to be using today is BW2. I didn't get exact measurements of the BW2, but I'm just doing a 10-inch bundle, so you don't really need much for this. I'm doing a bleach bath first on my bundles for them to reach the number 27, and then I'm going to go in with my watercolor method. So as you can see, I'm just basically pouring just a little bit. I kind of just eyed it, but I am using 40 volume developer, and I only used half a bottle of that because that's all that I had left. So just a half a bottle of 40 developer, and just like I would estimate the scoops to like 6 scoops of BW2 powder. I'm going to continue to mix this, and then once I feel like that is creamy enough, I am going to add the hottest water that my faucet can provide me. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Y'all going to see how much water, like you can see it because my bowl is plastic clear. So I just added a little bit, and I'm just going to fully mix that to make sure no clumps or lumps of developer is still in there. Okay, so now I'm taking my 10-inch bundle, body weight bundle from my line, and I'm just going to dip that in and get it saturated as possible. That is the key word here. So I'm using the like shampoo brush. I'm going to link this down because I got this from Amazon, so I'm going to link it down below. But I'm just going to saturate this. And I did speed this up. I did stay here and saturate this for like 10 minutes. So yeah, get into it. Everything, even the roots, the ends, everything need to be saturated for it to be a even. So after I saturated it, I put aluminum foil over my container and I let it sit for 30 minutes. That's all. The 30 minutes is all that I had. So I'm letting it sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to move on to the watercolor method. This is the amount of water that I use. Mind you, it's the hottest water from my faucet, and these are the colors. Make sure y'all, let me go ahead and pause it so you can screenshot. Please screenshot it. Do not ask me. But yeah, I just used a little bit of water. I used the whole bottle of neon pink, and I used half a bottle of the raspberry color. And you know, baby, we gonna get all that color out. So I literally shook some water in it, baby. We're getting all that color out. But yeah, I used a whole bottle of neon pink and half a bottle of the raspberry. That's the color. So now I'm just using an application brush, and I'm mixing it where I don't see any clumps of the dye, because when you first put it in the water, it's like dark. When you mix it around in the water, you can actually see it like kind of like disappearing. So make sure you don't see any blotches or color in your water before you put that here in. And just like we did the hair with the bleach bath, we're going to do the exact same thing when we watercolor. So I'm going to continuously dip in and out, swish it around, open up the bundles, because you know I folded it in half, then folded it again, I opened up the bundles. I'm going to brush through with my shampoo brush to make sure that color is evenly going to coat in my hair. And I'm just going to do this for the same amount of time, 10 minutes. And I let this sit for the same amount of time, which is 30 minutes. And this is the hair with conditioner on it. I did use Tresemme color shampoo and conditioner. I didn't deep condition it at all with silicone mix. Like I said, I did not record the install process because he used my bond-in technique that's already on my YouTube. So check the link for that in the description box. And this is just mid-video. Do you see the luxury? And mind you, it's no shine added to this hair, baby. My extensions speak for itself. Make sure y'all check the description box for my lunch date, my email list to receive exclusive offers. But shout out to Dejan for slaying my hair. I love you so much. But y'all, that's all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I gave you guys some tips for the bleach bath, for the watercolor method. And yeah, stay tuned for my lunch. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Love you guys. Bye. You're a real one if you're still watching this video. Period. So here's my reward to you guys. You'll get to see my homepage of my website. And here she is. Like, I built this from a template, guys. This is a transparent moment. I'm just so excited. You guys, I launched on February 18th, 2022. And I just want to show y'all know y'all get dibs, because if you watch this whole video, you a real one. So I just wanted to show y'all a little insight of my homepage. So here's my homepage. I got home, shop all, ready to ship wigs, contact, store policy. And we're just gonna go down. Mind you, I made a lot of my stuff on Canva. We're gonna do a whole nother video. I can't wait to do business series. I'm black that I can't show y'all my prices right now. Maybe get into this. A shot of everybody. Someone who likes to turn up but also keeps it classy, but will get ratchet when needed. Period. Period. So yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Y'all don't know how long I've been working on my website. Like, this took me so long. Period. LLC. Yes, so if you're still watching this, make sure you're signed up for my email list. I will be sending out deals next week before my lunch, and you guys get an exclusive deal, and we'll continue to get exclusive deals throughout my business journey. I really appreciate you guys for staying for this long. You are truly real ones. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye for real this time.